Hi Capricorn, welcome back. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. And today we will be picking one card for your moon energy. So, this will be the card I will leave it here, and one card for your oracle guidance. So, let's start the reading with these cards. And Capricorn, I request you to watch this reading till the end, because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting to see today. So let's start with these cards here. It's Star in reverse, Eight of Swords in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So Capricorn, in your circumstances, you are having great dreams and plans for your future. You are working towards those dreams and plans, but you are making tremendous efforts, but today you are not seeing the results, the expected results. So something is worrying you or making you very anxious. You have the opportunities you need today. Maybe in this relationship you have this person you love. You both have a level of understanding and you know each other very well. Circumstances are good, but for some reason you feel that something is missing in this love. You are in a good situation, a good position in life, doing well in your career, but there is something happening. Maybe it may be a circumstance, or it may be because of this person you love. So something unexpected is coming for you. Maybe they have some plans for themselves. They have some plans for their future. Maybe they want to set things right in their career before they commit to you or think of commitment or the next step. So this person is planning something, Capricorn, and it is quite difficult for you to understand them. Though you love them, you are with this person, you both are together, and they are not understanding you or they are not telling you the truth. They have something in their mind. They are holding back some information. And maybe they are planning to move away, maybe changing their residence or moving away from you. They have their reasons and they are not telling you what it is. That is the reason you are quite worried. And you feel that they do not respect you. And if this person loves you and respects you, they will tell you the truth. They will tell you what is their plan or what are their intentions. But they are quite, arrogant. They are not concerned about you. That is the reason they are moving away without telling you. So we will see what is the card for your. It's Six of Swords in reverse. So looks like this person is planning something. This card here, it's a very good card, guys. So maybe they have some secret plans. That is the reason they are not telling you what is their intention or what are their plans. Maybe they are acting as if they are angry with you or they are moving away from you. But the truth is they are thinking of commitment, the next step, marriage. So some good changes, something good is coming for you today, Capricorn. This person has made a choice and they want to ask you, surprise you with a proposal. That may be the reason they are doing this today. So some good changes, some um, positive circumstance is coming for you in your life very soon. So we will see what is the card for your career situation. We have 5 of cups. So in your work circumstances, you are worried about something that has happened, some regrets. So Capricorn, instead of regretting whatever failed or some delays you would have seen in your situation, worrying about something that happened is not going to help you in any way. So today, if you want success, you must focus on your future, work towards your future, and plan well for your future instead of regretting something that has happened. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all. So we will see what is the moon energy, Capricorn. Your commitment is being tested, first quarter moon. So with this card, the energy is that in your circumstances today, there are some challenges coming your way. So you need to understand that universe is testing you to see how determined you are to succeed and how confident you are today to face any hurdles that you are seeing in your life. And Capricorn, if you believe that you will not be able to overcome these troubles, these obstacles, then that is what is happening today. You will not be able to overcome these obstacles. But if you truly believe in yourself and if you believe that you can overcome any troubles, any obstacles, then you will have the strength and determination, the skills and talents to overcome whatever that comes your way. So you must believe in your dreams and goals, plans for your future. So showing commitment today is going to take you towards your desired outcome. So you must believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and maybe if you are thinking about a circumstance in this relationship, it is a big yes, but not yet. Maybe if you are worried about this person, they are thinking about you, but marriage or commitment not so soon. It may take a little time, but they are someone honest and they love you. And if you have someone on your mind, maybe a past person, someone is coming back, Capricorn, someone is returning to you, back to you, and they want to recommit to you, and this person is truly sorry and they are thinking of you. So that is the energy with this card for you all. So let's see what is the oracle guidance, Capricorn. Never ending story. So with this card, it just means that maybe in any relationship, sometimes we keep telling ourselves the sad story, whatever we faced in our life, pain, sadness, shame, or fear of intimacy. That is the reason for troubles in our relationship. So today we must, try to work on our fears and shame. Maybe we are afraid to show this person what we truly are, that fear of intimacy, or we may have a low self esteem. So that may be the reason we find it difficult to relate to others. So today we must tell ourselves a different story. Maybe we are thinking about the loneliness we had, the rejection we felt. So whatever sad things we are remembering, we must give all that up, and we must think of something positive for ourselves and forgive ourselves, have compassion for ourselves for making some mistakes in the past. So those mistakes should not carry forward today. So we must give all that up, the hurt, whatever we experienced, and forgive ourselves. And today we must tell ourselves a different story, a positive story that is going to inspire us to do better, to make right choices today. So, that is again something you need to do in your work circumstances, Capricorn. That will help you. So, you must tell yourself positive stories of your success or whatever good things you did or the right choices you made. That is going to inspire you to do better today. So that is the energy with this card for you all. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you, Capricorn. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.